Welcome to Draco's Go. I had a student who really loved to practice the ladder, so I designed quite a lot of giant ladder, crazy ladder problems for her to solve, and today we'll be solving one of them. So here's the problem. It's black to play, 黑先. So you can think about how to make it into a ladder. You can pause the video and take some time. And if you need a clue, I'll tell you that we have to start from this corner. Okay, I'll be revealing the answer now. So first, we have to let white eat one stone so that we can Atari, 打吃, 白棋连, connect. Then we Atari again, 打吃, 白棋连. And now we start the ladder. Ladder is 征子 in Chinese. So the actual physical ladder is 梯子. But in Weiqi terms, we say 征子. And now even if white connects, black will eat the whole group.